Welcome back. Now you could have a case where you're going to be initiating a new subscription product. In that case, your product is going to be priced as a multi-payment subscription. Now this is the typical WarriorPlus setup for a subscription. However, what you can do with this subscription is you can use it to upgrade your customer's previous subscription. In order to do that, you're going to go further down into the product editing screen. And you're going to see a section here that says cancel recurring on purchase. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to take the customer's existing subscription and we're going to state that if a customer has a subscription to a specific product that we are selling, the purchase of this new subscription is going to cancel out the previous subscription. And that means then that future payments will be canceled. Now that doesn't mean that the only way you can cancel a subscription is with another subscription product. You can use a single price product in order to cancel out the subscription in this screen. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.